happens when particles, atoms, or molecules collide with enough energy and in the right orient to break old bonds and form new.
Looks like we have another question. What is it?
If you're not real, why did you just cough like that?
You keep wasting my time. Obviously, I can't cough. You're hearing things.